Hello and welcome to a new Python Coding Challenge video. Today I'm going to give you a hint towards solving last week's challenge. So without any further ado, let's begin. I'm sure many of you started the problem from the bottom of our imaginary staircase. But here's the catch. The best way is to start at the top. In particular, let's assume we are on the top step of our staircase. How did we get here? Well, we got here by taking one of these two moves. So, we can see that the number of moves to get to the top, let's call it m of n, is equal to the number of moves taken to get to mn-1 plus the number of moves taken to get to mn-2. Furthermore, looking at the beginning of the staircase, we have that for a single step, we have m1 equals 1, and for two steps, we have m2 equals 2. That is because with one step, we can only get to the top in one way, whereas with two steps, we can either take two single steps or one double one. Hence, there are two ways of getting to the top. So, with all that said, I'll leave it up to you to find the solution. But if you need an even bigger hint, then I strongly recommend that you check out the video I've linked on your screen. With that, I wish you again the best of luck, and I look forward to seeing you next week for the full solution. Until then, as always, happy coding!